swear to God, next year I'm gonna buy the biggest goddamn firework and I'm gonna set the hills afire. No! And sparks. Oh God. Oh God!
Hi everybody, it's TwoXposed. It's Halloween. We haven't filmed in
Years.
3 years maybe.
Might be 4.
It's time to destroy a pumpkin again.
I don't think they use it.
Oh my-
It's illegal to use these.
Brittany, the scene, the marble scene
The marble scene?
in Squid Game.
Yeah, I ain't got no marbles.
No, with the gun.
Oh. Yay, I win!
Stabbing. I remember doing this.
Yeah, you guys are still.
Now, I've noticed something about this knife you have. It's a little chip and a little bent.
Yes.
Just a little bit.
They're not good enough for you.
Let's see. Oh, no, it'll work.
I started it!
Yeah! Oh! Lexi! My dude!
It's not a Halloween video if one
You
of us
cut
hadn't
me!
There's so many knives,
There
and
are
somebody's
so many
bound to lose a
knives.
finger here.
Let it be me. Let's go.
Well, Lexi, you get to do the honors because you do it every time.
That's exactly.
And it takes forever for you to do it, and it's funny to watch you struggle. We gotta get this done! Good! Come on. That was a hole.
Let me do this! Let me do this! Let me do this! Oh my God! I swear we can do it.
Come on!
Wait, wait, I can do it?
Probably.
I can do it like a normal person?
Yeah, surely.
Yeah, Lexi, yeah, you
Let's
got it.
go!
Now, Haley, what?
I'm just a camera person. I was never meant to.
Hey, have I rubbed my nose at all?
No.
No, I was watching.
How you know it's the size?
That's, sure.
We can stuff it with paper. What is that called? Paper towels!
Yes.
It'll get it.
Lexi, I think you deserve the bullying tonight.
That is absolutely disgusting. Wait, don't stick them all the way in there. No!
We just put them inside like a bomb.
That's literal.
No! You lost it.
Like this is our fuel for the explosion.
Oh, is it? Is it
Yeah,
really?
wait.
Oh,
we'll
I guess
put it
we
in
could-
there and you go.
Okay, cool. They're fused again. What was their name? Shrekalo. Shrekalo. Shrek is deaf in one ear. he had a transplant.
Just, do it like the makeup beauty people do to show products, because it's like it's so
No,
focused.
hand behind him.
What is happening?
Yes.
That's what I was saying, because it wouldn't focus. Just, there we go. Yes.
Yes. As if they haven't been through enough trauma.
The noise.
The audible thunk.
Yay, we're done!
Do you remember that skeleton video that we used to quote all the time? The stupid. The skeleton videos!
Wait.
What is
It
a
was
skeleton's
Yeah.
favorite snack?
Wait, what? No.
Wait.
No. It's what is a
Is it not the one I
skeleton's
was thinking
favorite
of?
snack?
Yes.
Yeah.
What was it?
Yes, it was that one. Yes, it was it.
Spare ribs!
Oh my god.
We had a ton of other skeleton things that we harassed people with.
Where's Gaster? Oh, I had a 5-foot tall skeleton I could have brought.
Wait a minute.
Not the,
My God.
Lexi, no! Wait.
the mallet. Oh, I got you.
Do you need a mouse control?
Can I get it?
God dang it!
That would prove.
Leave the spoon in there. Wait, where's the good one? That's the hole. That's the hole. No, we can't let them see that part.
Perfect. Perfect.
We're gonna take it outside first. What are you We're gonna take it outside first. We going. And a lighter.
And a lighter.
Okay.
Actually, wait. We can just burn our papers.
That needs to be a profile picture on like everything.
Girl with the gun.
You want to blow this up back there with the hills
Well,
instead of out here on the road?
it's better than in front of you.
We done it before. Wait.
Okay, I'm like, there's kids up there, so I don't.
Kids.
Yeah.
Every time we go to get ready to throw out the pumpkin, somebody's always out there. Just lurking, and we're like,
What have you done? Oh, this is some actually though? These are some nice. Does that say, what does that say there?
hello. You are the slowest human being ever. I do it.
Me noi. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Wait. What's my lines?
But I don't want to kick it and then it go into Eugene's yard.
Fire!
Yeah.
How about we get some of the fireworks?
All right. Here, light it. Just
So loud.
in it. Oh God. Oh no! Run!
No warning.
Yeah, exactly.
Anybody know the Fortnite dance besides Haley?
I know all the Fortnite dances.
It's a Fortnite dance?
Yes.
Okay, that one is.
Wish I could get closer, but I'm scared I'm gonna get like blown in the face.
Run! Try!
Hey, how about you don't? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
This is like, I don't know if this is like a fail or not.
Smothering it by doing that.
Oh, no. I got a little bit of an opening. Oh, God.
Don't whack anymore.
Hey, I see.
It's happening! It is! Oh, my God!
Oh, it's pretty!
It's really pretty. Because your dad was like, please don't do this. No!
Get in front of it!
Step back. This is the worst smell in the world.
Oh, it's mangled! Oh my god. It looks a little burnt.
It stinks.
Oh God! Oh God! Where's it going? Oh God! It's literally trappers.
Oh my God! Todoroki made it.
Todoroki!
My crowbar!
This is great.
I existed and I did.
You didn't do anything.
I got the pumpkin.
And sparks. Oh God. Oh God! What the heck?
Scareface. Candle's been dead from the time I held it.
Happy Halloween! See you next year!